Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will discuss about how to download and install Docker desktop on Windows 11 home operating system. So let's get started. Open Docker website, docs.docker.com, enter, click on docs.docker.com, click here, get Docker, scroll down, Docker desktop for Mac, Docker desktop for Windows, Docker desktop for Linux. So mine is Windows. I'm clicking. I will provide this link in description of video. You can directly download by using this link. Docker desktop for Windows. Control-C. Docker desktop download link for Windows. Consider this is a post step. Yeah. See here. Click on here. Docker desktop for Windows. It is started downloading. Meanwhile, check your system requirements. So, system requirements. We need to verify system requirements. Yeah, first one is in system requirements. See WSL version. WSL is installed or not. So for that, Control R. Yeah. For that, open Windows R. It will open the run. Windows R. It will open the run. Type CMD. Enter. Verify WSL. Enter. So it will appear something. So WSL is installed. Was checking done. So open run by using Windows icon plus R. It will open the run. Then and type CMD. CMD. After opening CMD, you can type the WSL. So next, verify here Windows 11 64-bit home or free version, pro version or enterprise education versions. Windows 10 are recommended home or higher enterprise versions. So you can verify which operating system, which bit, everything by using same Windows plus R type. Windows plus R type Win version, Windows version. Okay. Here Windows 11 single language, here home, single language, home, Windows 11 home operating system. So okay, this is there as requirements. So next here open run by using shortcut Windows plus R and type Win version and check. Next third here, see, turn on WSL, two features and windows for detailed instructions. Then we need to enable the WSL. 64-bit is there, 4 GB RAM is there. We need to enable hardware visualization. Turn on the WSL two features. So for that, you can search turn here. Scroll down. Turn Windows feature on or off. Turn Windows in search box. In search box, type turn on turn Windows features on or off. Turn Windows features. Turn Windows features on or off. on or off. So here turn Windows features on or off. So maximize here Windows subsystem for Linux. Windows subsystem for Linux. Then here select checkbox Windows subsystem for Linux. Subsystem for Linux. Here Windows subsystem for Linux. Check this one. Okay. Check this one. Next. Okay. Next, wait until it will complete. Yeah, these are Windows completed the required changes. So it is asking restart now or do not restart. You can say do not restart. Do not restart, because after installation of Docker we need to restart. If you are restarting, it will 2 times restart. So not required these two. So we need restart only one time at last, right? Next, we need to verify enable hardware visualization in BIOS. For that, here you can press Control Shift. Here enable hardware visualization. For that, Control Shift Escape key. For that, we need to use CTRL plus Shift plus Escape key ESC. So we need to press these three keys at a time. ESC. It will open. Look like maximize. Double click maximize. Go to this performance. CPU utilization here. Visualization enabled. So not require anything changes. Then go to performance and here CPU verify visualization enabled or not. So system requirements were verified. Just only we are made. This change only mandatory. So this change only mandatory, like turn Windows feature on or off. This is only mandatory. Once download is done, then we can install the Docker on Windows 11 home operating system. Until this download completed, I am passing the video. So it is downloading. Meanwhile, you can create one folder to store this Docker installer file. So I am installing every software in detail. Softwares to create new folder Docker desktop. Open. Wait until download completed. It will take 9 minutes more. Once download is done, open the folder. Control X. Go to our created folder. Control V. Right click. Go more options. Panel administrator. It will open one pop-up. Yes. Wait some time. It will open Docker pop-up kind of one dialog box. Close this tab. Here it will appear one installation Docker desktop. Maximize. So here shortcut to desktop. Okay. If it is Windows interface, you will get another option. One checkbox is there. Another VSL also checkbox also will appear. Unpacking the files. It will take some time to do this process. Meanwhile, I am passing this video. Here it is saying installation success, close and logout. Once they close and logout, it will appear this one. You can accept. Wait some. We need to restart. After restarting, then open Docker desktop. Double click. Wait some time, it will load. Here, finish. Say yes. One pop-up will appear, say yes. So starting the Docker engine, it will take like 5 to 10 minutes. Wait until then. This is the last step. Docker is successfully installed. After that, it will take around 12 minutes to start the Docker. So this is the after successfully starting. This is the screen look like. So here some containers, images, volumes, builds, environments, Docker, SC out, add extensions. These are the some options here. So successfully, we are successfully installed Docker on Windows 11 Home. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.